and welcome to the Aussie Phys Ed Network. My name's Aaron Gardner, and this is the first of a series of webinars introducing you to some of the great new features of what I consider the best assessment app going around at the moment, Idoceo. Idoceo's newest feature is the rubric creator, and it's probably all round the greatest addition to the Idoceo app. So you access the rubrics through your gradebook, and the setup of the rubrics are just like any other rubric that you'll have created before. They can be as detailed or as simple as you want, and you have the option of adding detailed assessment criteria in the boxes I'm showing you at the moment. Not all rubrics require that detail, but sure can help. So this is a rubrics of an invasion game unit that I did with my grade 5/6s. I'm just showing you the added detail in the criteria that I added for these children, and I found this really helpful for when assessing those students. So I'm just going to show you how to set up a simple rubric. You would just to click on the rubric grade type. As you can see here, you can add as many columns and as many rows as you need. You can also play with the column and row width and height, and can also play with the text alignment in the header and the text alignment in the cells. You also have the option of setting your result, and I always like to set mine to a percentage result. You have the option of weighting your rows, so the weight scoring can be different on each row depending on how you assess. But in the test flight version, which is not available to everyone at the moment, there's a new option where you are able to skip empty cells, which really takes the idea of using the weighted option out, which is fantastic. There are several ways that you are able to import rubrics into Idoceo. So you can import from a CSV or XLS file. You can paste from an Excel file. I've found that at the moment there's a few bugs at the moment with pasting from that, as you saw from the rubric I just showed you. So what I've found the best option for importing the data is to import straight from a CSV or XLS file. And what this does is it allows you to import from a file in from Google Drive. So what you do, you set your Excel, you set your rubric up in Excel first, exactly as it would look on the rubric in Idoceo. You save it as an XLS file in your Google Drive, and then you are able to access that file in your Google Drive and import it straight into Idoceo. And as you can see, it's imported the data perfect. I've actually got too many rows on this rubric, so I'm simply able to edit it, get rid of, sorry, not the rows, the columns. So I'm going to get rid of 2 columns. I'm going to name it Invasion Games. So you can rename any rubric that you would like. And simply save that rubric. And that's there for me to be able to use with any invasion game unit. I hope this has been a helpful webinar. Please keep your eyes peeled for the next installment of our Idoceo webinar series.